So I have a lot of big plans for this space, but honestly, I can't think of what they are right now because it's so cold outside and it's kind of really cold in here still. So let's just focus on getting this place organized, a little fresher looking. I think once it's organized, then I'll be able to think. Let's get dirty. So I've already cleaned the floors, so it doesn't smell like a mechanic's garage anymore. But I think while I'm at it, I'm gonna spruce up the paint a little bit. Right now, I'm in the middle of a renovation. I need more than anything a place to store my things. So my garage project is put on hold for a little while so that we can properly store things. So I started off by installing a couple of Husky industrial, steel industrial shelving units. And these heavy duty shelving units were so simple to put together. I put them together in about 30 minutes each. And I did it while having an injured thumb. Yeah, it was that easy and it doesn't require any tools. The shelves are adjustable and supports up to 2,500 pounds per shelf and is backed by Husky's lifetime warranty. To safely secure and put away my items, I'm using latch and stack totes by Husky in 15 and 45 gallon sizes. And I really love these 45 gallon sizes because as you can see, they roll away and you're not having to do a lot of lifting with them. But they come in so many different sizes, 5, 15, 25, 35, and 45. But my new favorite storage containers have to be these professional duty waterproof storage containers that are dust proof, waterproof, and the lid is see-through. So I know exactly what I'm putting away. And as you can see, my garage is shaping up nicely. However, I'm still hating on these floors. But it's too cold to paint it. So for now, I'm testing out this vinyl garage flooring. I'm not exactly sure if I'm sold on this and the color, but we'll see how it works. So thanks for joining me as I try to bring order to my new garage with Husky storage solutions. Husky can be found exclusively at the Home Depot. You can visit your local Home Depot in person or shop online at homedepot.com or using the Home Depot app. And now is a great time to organize your space using these Husky storage items. Stay tuned for future updates on my new workshop and my home renovation. Alright guys, till next time.